Hey, what's up guys? Just to remind you that we have a gigantic game dev assets and tools mega bundle on Humble Bundle. If you don't know what Humble Bundle is, it's a periodically offer some great, if not awesome, sales. So we can get 67 items for at least $32 or euros. And you can see the complete value of this. It's like 4,000 and some euros. I don't know, it's like $5,000 or something like that. And over here, you can choose what to pay. You can pay this, but you'll get only 4 items, 13 items, and all 67 items. So make sure to use this. Those items are great. We have lots and lots of environmental assets. We have animations, plugins. You can check it over here if you're interested. And I think if you buy this car, you get all these 66 for free. So I think this is just a great opportunity not to skip it, because it will end in 14 days. So check it out and let me know how you like it. And how to install all these assets, I think I have a video about it. I don't know, but let me check it out and put it in the description below, as well as the link from this bundle. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.